name's Aaron and this is Jason. We're with Redbird Speed. We're going to be your technical support. We're going to be your sales. If you're calling in, emailing in, we're going to be the person assisting you. So a little bit about our background. I've been in the axle business exclusively since 2016, doing housings, axles, diff parts, and brakes. What year did you start?
2008 is when I started. So I've been dealing with the housings, axles, brakes, all the suspension and differential parts in that time to current.
You've worked everywhere from shipping department to weld shop, grinding cans to sales. You've kind of been around the whole block, haven't you?
Yeah, I have, and enjoyed it quite a bit. I really enjoy the sales part of it though, because I get to talk to all different people doing different projects, and that's awesome.
And we sure get to talk to people doing a wide range of stuff, whether you're building a restoration or high horsepower drag cars or anything in between, autocross, road race, just
pro mods,
everything in the middle.
Yep.
So you might be asking yourself, why Redbird Speed? Well, I've got several reasons. One, everybody wants to save a little bit of money. We try to be extremely competitive and save you money. Two, we are available to help you. So when you're buying something from us, you're buying more than just a product. You are buying a service. You're buying follow-up. You are buying our expertise, which is another reason. Our history, our experience, we've seen a lot. Whether you want to call and ask us what posi you should buy, what spline count you need, how big of a brake kit you need, or you have questions on your axle, or just anything in between, we can help you with that.
Yeah, we have a lot of customers that call in that want to do a DIY rear end. They don't have a specific shop in their area, and that's where Aaron and I come in. If you order a rear end for your car, a set of brakes, a set of axles, where Aaron and I come into play, we have a high success rate of helping customers install their brakes at home. If they have a question about how their axles fit or how a bearing goes on, we're going to be there to help you.
Yeah, I think that's where we really excel, is our availability. So how can you contact us? Well, there's a lot of ways. One, probably being the best, give us a call, 260-301-2424. Giving us a call is probably going to be the best way. You can check us out on our website, redbirdspeed.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, a lot of the social media networks. So there's a lot of ways you can get a hold of us. You can even email us. There's a website feature where you can chat on our website. So a lot of things we got going on there. Tons of ways for you to contact us. So do not hesitate to reach out to us. That is what we are here for, and that's what we excel at.
Absolutely.
All right. If you've made it this far, you can also check out our podcast, The Rear Gear. We're going to be doing some more YouTube videos, putting out a lot of content, a lot of tech type stuff. So hang in there with us. Give us a like, give us a follow, subscribe. We appreciate all of your support. Have a good day.